Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down in order to find the apps right here. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. And here we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, we've got the list of apps which are currently allowed or not allowed to install some content. Basically, all you have to do in order to allow particular app to install something is to find it, of course, and tap on the switcher. And from now on, this app is active. I mean, this app is allowed to install something, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that. And be careful and wisely give permissions. It will work, of course, the same with all other apps. Just tap on the switcher and then it will be active. And the same situation if you want to remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher and right now it is turned off. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.